Sometimes we may have quite large fractions for our answers to certain questions, and we may have to give them in their simplest form. For example, if we have a fraction of 35 over 70, we can simplify this by looking at what numbers divide evenly into both 35 and 70. As one number ends in a 0 and one number ends in a 5, we can see that 5 divides into both of those evenly. If we divide 35 by 5, we get 7, and 70 divided by 5 is 14. So we now have a fraction of 7 over 14. This is referred to as an equivalent fraction because this means the same thing as 35 over 70. It is just written in a simpler form. Now we can go even further than this. We can ask what number divides evenly into 7 and 14. The answer here is 7. So we can say 7 divided by 7 is 1, and 14 divided by 7 is 2. Now we have our fraction as 1 over 2, which is its simplest form, because there are no numbers that divide evenly into 1 and 2 other than 1. And if we do that, we ask how many 1s are in 1, there is still 1, and how many 1s are in 2, there's still 2. So it would be the same fraction. We've simplified a fraction of 35 over 70 through two different steps by dividing by 5 and dividing by 7. If we were confident enough, we could have divided by 35 at the very beginning, asking how many 35s are in 35, there's 1, and how many 35s are in 70, there are 2. We have achieved the same answer just with fewer steps. Now there is no problem with taking as many steps as necessary, we will achieve the same answer. As you can see, the digits are much smaller and will be easier to work with. This is one of the main reasons why we simplify fractions. Now I hope that helps and you know a little bit more about simplifying and equivalent fractions.
Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.